The 12 princes that are meant by this verse are the 12 emirs from the Bani Hashim, or the 12 princes from the Bani Hashim. The nation that God creates from Ismael is the nation of Islam, or the nation of the Arabs, the Muslims that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam unifies. And from that nation, there are 12 Imams that succeed the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And so we believe that those 12 Imams are 1. Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, 2. Imam al-Hasan, 3. Imam al-Hussein, 4. Imam Zayn al-Abidin, 5. Imam Muhammad al-Baqir, 6. Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq, 7. Imam Musa Kazim, 8. Imam Ali al-Rida, 9. Imam Muhammad al-Jawad, 10. Imam Ali al-Hadi, 11. Imam al-Hasan al-Askari, and 12. Imam al-Mahdi, Muhammad ibn al-Hasan al-Askari, alayhum as-salam. So those are the 12 Imams, the 12 princes, the 12 successors, the 12 individuals that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said are to him as the disciples were to Jesus Christ.